Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we want to learn how to froth milk for cappuccino. This is the milk which I will be using. Guys, this is a steam van. This is a steam wall. How much steam you want to take out from this? See, this is called steam. This is steam van. For cappuccino, we will put our nozzle inside the jug till here. You have to keep the control over this steam boil and this steam nozzle and your milk pitcher. That's it. So it's very easy to steam milk for a perfect cappuccino. As you know, cappuccino is a frothy coffee. You need to make a good, nice froth for cappuccino. First of all, we'll release the steam like this. Clean a nozzle, and now we put the nozzle just a little. It should be touching the milk. So now we will start frothing our milk. The milk needs to be swirling like this, as if you can see in the video. It's swirling like this. As soon as we get the desired temperature, we'll close the steam line and we get a perfect milk for our cappuccino. The steam milk for a perfect cappuccino. See the consistency, the froth and the temperature. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe and like our videos. Thank you so much.